In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can own a nightclub here in GTA 5 online. It really is super easy, so we're going to dive straight into this guide. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Now, before you can even buy a nightclub, you are going to have to be registered as one of the following, whether it's a CEO, VIP, or an MC club president. The easiest option is usually CO, which lets you register directly from the interaction menu. But whenever you are registered, what you're going to want to do is open up your in-game phone, just like so, and then go ahead and navigate to the internet and up to money and services, where you're going to want to go to foreclosures, mazebank.com, and hit enter site. From here, look for any of these little like disc icons right here that are orange, and this is all of the nightclubs that are available for purchase. Scroll through one, find whatever one you would like. And they're usually around 1 million to 1.7 million, but they can lower during weekly discounts, so keep that in mind. But choose whatever one you want, hit purchase, and then of course go ahead and customize it. Just keep in mind this is going to make it a little bit more expensive as well. But whenever you're ready, hit buy down at the very bottom and you can get loaded in. And there's going to be a setup mission to knock out, but after knocking out those setup missions, you'll be able to earn passive income through that nightclub here in GTA 5 online. If you did find this guide helpful, by the way, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.